Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT1, power meets comfort, ready for anything. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Step right up for the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT1. This powerhouse boasts a Vortec 5.3L V8 with 315 HP and 338 pound-feet of torque, perfectly balancing power and practicality. Outfitted with power windows, locks, mirrors, and steering, it's a breeze to handle, plus a 6-speaker audio system to enjoy your tunes. Its Doeskin Tan exterior is rugged yet comforting, matched by cozy light titanium/ebony cloth seats. With under 86k miles, it's barely broken in, and with 15/20 mpg, it's efficient too. Clean Carfax, no skeletons, just ready for action. Come test it today. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, power door locks, tow hooks, and window defogger.